Alright guys, welcome back. So I wanted to kind of break this down here. So we have the Wyze cam here, or the Wyze doorbell, and I wanted to break this down. And I know where I'm shooting natively right now, in portrait mode, because I want to actually show y'all the output of this later on. So, but first I want to actually kind of break this down. And the way we do this is we kind of let's see here. So I had to remove some of these little rubber thingies. These belong in the back here. As you can see, there's the holes there. I also had to remove the little sticker that shows the QR scan and all that. So I went ahead and removed those. Like I said, they're just little rubber thingies here. So I'm going to set them to the side. There's 6 of them. And we're going to start kind of breaking this down here. So there's just a regular Phillips screws here. And I should have recorded the unboxing in a portrait mode to kind of keep it together, but I think I'll just adjust it later on once the editing is done. So we're almost done here. I'm just a little curious on how the inside looks. As y'all know, some of the stuff that I purchase, I like to break down and just get a feel for the technology built in there. And this last one's a pretty pain here. These bottom two are pretty hard. I'll see if I got a bigger screwdriver here. So let me take a look real quick. Alright, so I got my little Harbor Freight screwdriver here. Hopefully I can get it without messing it up here. Because if I mess it up, that would suck. I feel it spinning too. Jesus. This thing is really tight on there. These bottom two at least. This one, hopefully I can get this one. This one was slipping on me. Yeah, I might not be able to get this one with the Phillips starting to strip on me. I'll just see if I can get in it with the flat head here. No. And I don't have the flat head that I need. Dang it. So let's try it again with the Phillips here. Wait, maybe I do. I'll try with this flathead. Let's see if I can get into it again. Nope. Try this again here. I'm not too sure if I got it. Oh, I got it. Oh, wow. That one was pretty stripped here. So, well, you can't see. But alright. Let's see what we got here. So, I might have to undo these suckers right here. And even these are tight. Dang. So Papa. Doesn't want to come out. Let's get our flathead here. See if we can wedge it out. Alright. So, I don't know what this is, but okay. Oh, these are waterproof for the little mounts here. Looks like that little cover is for USB Type A or Type B, which belongs here. I wonder if we're able to power it and get power that way. Of course, you know I'm gonna try it out right now. So in here, let's turn on the flash here real quick. Alright. So we have a capacitor, the USB. There's a little Wi-Fi antenna here to the right. It looks like we have the speaker box right here, and it's sealed with some silicone. The connector. Let's see if we can kind of break it down a little more here. Let's get our screwdriver. Well, first we have a connector up here we need to release. There's a reset button. The connector goes like that. I think that's it. Gotta make sure I don't lose these screws here. Seems like we could just pop this up here. Not too sure. There we go. This is well compacted here. I just dropped something. I don't know what I dropped. Some sort of glass. Some sort of glass. We'll find out right now. Oh, it must be there in the sensor. There's the Wi-Fi. Now we're gonna have to take this apart completely to put that glass back. So wow, we have a. There's the sensor there. We're gonna have to put this back somehow, some way. I don't remember how this goes, or I don't know how this really goes. But here we go. So we have our Wi-Fi card in here. It's a 2.4 gigahertz, I believe. There's an interface that plugs this to the bottom here. We got our sensor. Yeah, it's actually pretty simple system here. When I really do wonder if I can use this USB here, but yeah, guys, I'm gonna have to put this back together somehow. Hopefully I didn't mess with it too much. I'm not gonna go in any deeper to break this down, but we'll give it a whirl, and I'll let you know what happens. So,
ready to connect.
Yeah, it actually works here.
Ready to connect.
That's loud. I'm gonna see if I can pair it. So we'll see here. All right.
Ready to connect.
I'm gonna try to add it here. Let's see real quick.
Ready to connect.
This thing is loud too. Crazy.
Ready to connect.
Give me a sec here.
Ready to connect.
Chill out, fool. Whoa. So I guess this would fall. Oh, this thing's loud. This would fall under, I guess, cameras.
Ready to connect.
There's a doorbell. If you've already wired it and it's flashing yellow, this thing needs to be quiet.
Ready to connect.
up here. So we're gonna go ahead and
Ready to connect.
click next. This is not included. Yada yada.
Ready to connect.
I have a screwdriver. Okay.
Ready to connect.
Jeez, this thing needs to be quiet. Yeah, this is.
Ready to connect.
Oh, you know, I forgot to do the chime. I need to plug in the chime here. Let me go get it. So turn off the power switch. You'll need to turn it off. Yeah, I don't need to do that. Open the chime box. Recommend taking a picture of yada yada. Okay. What is your one? Oh man. I'm just gonna go with the 2 wires. Disconnect both wires and connect them with the fuse.
Ready to connect.
Yeah, this is a lot just for
Ready to connect.
jeez, shut your mouth.
Ready to connect.
We'll just put parallel wall plate.
Ready to connect.
So the wall plate, yes. Okay. So this is a bunch of useless stuff, I think.
Ready to connect.
Please confirm that your doorbell is yes, it's flashing yellow. You should,
Ready to connect.
okay.
Setup completed.
Okay, there we go. I had to do it all over again. We'll put front doorbell. Sounds about right. It says as if I want to do this, and that, yada yada yada. Yeah, I don't think so. Not today. Share a family member, maybe later. We can do that later. Please confirm that the doorbell has a solid blue light and it's not flashing. It's solid. That's cool. Okay, attach it. You have successfully installed your Wyze, whatever, blah. Let's add the chime now. Tap next to add it. Okay. Plug in your chime. So the person who reset. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay, slash it 3 times. There's the little beep. Finish. Alright. Of course, it wants to do firmware up there. We'll do it later. But there it is. That's my. Let me see if I can have it if I push it. Ooh. Every time. Hey, look. If I get close. Let me show you the camera. Or it's kind of hard to see the camera here. Come on. I don't want to do this thing. I want to show you here. So every time I get close, the light comes on. Now that, my friends, is pretty neat, because what it does is it kind of gives it that, like if it's dark outside, boom, you can see who pushes the button. Let's go back to the. So, hey, it's not bad. Look at how that looks. I know it's looking a little weird, but I'll give you a better high def. I'm gonna do a better video once it's installed, ready to go, you know. And I mean, it's not bad. Let's push the button and see what happens. Oh, that was fast. That was pretty fast. Pretty surprised. I'm gonna kind of close things up here, and we'll mount it up in a bit, and we'll give it a whirl.